الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أفضل المرسلين محمد الصادق الأمين وآله الطيبين الطاهرين أما ثم بعد. Today we're gonna share with you eBooka. eBooka is an EPUB converter and editor, and it's free and open source online. I think it's free, not open source, but it is free. It is a project by Oleksandr Kryzhaniuk. I hope that I read or pronounced the name correct. You can follow him on LinkedIn as well. So what we're going to do today, we going to show you an easy way to solve this issue. This issue can be solved in a different way. Normally I do download Arabic books from Hamdani. Hamdani is a free source of downloading books. The books, they are not pirated. There is a deal between the publisher, which is Hamdani, and the authors. Also, what they do, if the book already have their copyright already finished, like after 70 years, it's allowed to do so. So for example, this book, it was published by 2019, and a copy to Hamdani Foundation was given at 2023, and there is an agreement. So it allows you to download in different formats. Previously I used to go with PDF, but then when I knew and understand the usefulness of EPUB, I switched to EPUB. KFX normally goes with Kindle, but for now we're not going to go with Kindle. We're just going to go with EPUB. If you can see, I just recently downloaded 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of these ones they were. Let me just go here. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them, they have been downloaded, and it was fine. However, when it come to what I just noticed, if the title was in Arabic, most likely it will work. Most likely, but that does not guarantee that it will work. However, if it goes as like this kind of numbers, then there is an issue. Normally, there is a way to solve it manually, but Oleksandr, he provided his website, and thankfully he updated the RTL, which is right to left language. I can see that there is a huge there is a huge update just happened right now. Let me just go through to ensure. I think terms and service, I just want to confirm. Yes, I believe it should be the same email that I sent. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use you know what, I'll just go this directly. I'll browse the file, and I will go with this one, and I will open. Okay, so this is it looks right, everything on the right. And on the same time, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open Creative Mind, okay, or Creative Brain by Min Jong. Why did I open this one? I just want to open this one so I can tell you when I click next page, it's gonna go right to left, which is, I mean, here it will not appear, but however in the tablet it will look more like consistent, and it's like this is good. This is the original one, not eBooka edition. However, let's go back to eBooka and try to go. So this book is this one, but as you can see that it didn't work. Why? How? It didn't work is, as you can see, it's like processing failed. Okay, that's why we uploaded on eBooka. Now there is other one, same thing. It did write the name correct, but still again processing failed. So we're gonna refresh, but still gonna be the same issue. What we're gonna do now, we're going to go again here, and now we're going to export. So we're gonna go export, and it's gonna go here. So I'm gonna leave it as it is as 1. I'm not gonna change anything for now, although it's better to change, but just for the sake of trying. And we're gonna go back to Google. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're going to upload files. We're gonna go to browse, and we're going to ebook number 1, and then we're gonna go click, and then let's see if it's gonna fix the issue or not. And we're gonna wait for a while. Normally it should not take that much, it should be faster. Why? Because normally the EPUB files, they are not that heavy, and see, it does work, which is great. And it did change the name as well with the author name and everything, which is great. Now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna see how it's gonna work. Is it gonna work like this in a beautiful way, which is like proper right to left, or it's gonna be different? Now I can see it seems to be functioning for now well. Let me go to the first, which is the title 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2, which is blank, and then 3. Okay, okay. So Carl Gustav Jung, he was born in this on the Swiss beach in this lake. So let me see. Okay, so yes, so it is consistent and it is right to left, and this is beautiful. And since I like beautiful things, it will be added into the group, which is مجموعة الرقمنة العربية, which is a group that has a way of how to handle like the process of digitalizing Arabic books, whether it is just like an outdated ones or an Arabic manuscripts. So hopefully we will collaborate with Oleksandr to see if we can do the processing of Arabic OCR, which is probably I'm going to suggest to him if that would be good. As you can see, there is other things that he did. So what we did before, we just used EPUB editor and we did that directly. Normally there is PDF to EPUB, but most likely the PDF has to be a copy and pastable, which means that you can copy the text inside the PDF. If it is scanned documents, there will be an issue here. Again, Markdown also, but Markdown normally it's just like a normal text, but with headings and stuff like that. Maybe later we can enhance this kind of process to allow AI when it extracts. Now the issue now with Arabic, when the AI or any software extract Arabic text from a document, like for example, let's go with this. Let's go with. Okay, bear with me. Okay, so Arabic OCR, this is samples. Let's go with, for example, this text. Okay. Now what happens is, as you can see, this text consists of multiple things. It is the normal text, okay, and then there is this kind of poet, okay, or poem. This poem, normally if any kind of extraction is going to happen, what we did, it will just treat it as a normal text, which is going to remove the space from here and the space from here. But we'd like to make it as a center. So like even sometimes the extraction, if it has this kind of long non-Arabic letter, which is just a way of making the font look nicer, which is normally comes as control and letter J, or control and the letter Ta in Arabic, to make this kind of long letter, which is not a letter to be precise. So yeah, probably we're gonna discuss this. I don't wanna bother you or bore you with this kind of things for now for the extractions, but it's an important and critical things for Arabic language advancement in OCR. Let's just go back to the to explore this kind of beautiful. By the way, he did change the what do you call it, the website entirely, and he did add the dark theme, which I normally like. So yeah, this looks really good. It's not only for the Arabic, it's also for English and other languages, as far as I know. And yeah, so beautiful. So and it is like free and no sign up needed, which is appreciated. So that was all, and hopefully you'll see you in the next video. That was Medo Hamdani. Take care and enjoy. Bye bye for now.